how to germinate your seeds. I took these seeds out and I put them in water and I put them in a dark, warm place for 2 days, and I've already got roots starting, you'll see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and I'm going to put them in a napkin next and let them get even longer than what they are. So we'll see how much better they grow this year. I know they grow better by the napkin, so they're going to grow even better since they've already started in the soaking. Stay tuned. And some you'll see don't have any, and I'll write down which ones those are, and I'll watch and see what happens. They might be seeds that I just had from last year that I had harvested myself that aren't growing. I'll check them and see. So I've got these paper towels. I've ripped them off into two, sections of two. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and I'm going to put them under the water. I'll do warm, like that. Rinse them out. Well, wring them out all the way. Not rinse them, just wring them. We're just trying to get them damp. And then we'll stretch it out. That's it. So now I'm going to fold it in half. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our seeds. And like this one's only got one. So we're just going to put him here. And then we're going to roll him up into it. So let me do that. So that's the seed that's rooted. We're going to put him in here. Put him on the middle because he's the only seed of his kind. And then you're just going to fold him up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put him in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to check him in a week. So we'll check back in a week, and inside this Ziploc bag will get condensation. We're going to put it in a warm, dark place again. So I'm going to put him up in my cupboard here. You know, it stays warm. It's in my kitchen, and it's probably about 70 in here, and it's nice and it's dark in there. So alright, then if you got two, I just put one there, then I fold it over, and then the next one, just take it, we'll put it slightly offset, that way if it grows roots through, they don't grow through together. So you got the one about here, and then the one down here. And then the same thing, just keep rolling it up. So here we are, and then you just seal the top, and then it'll get condensation inside while it's in the dark, in the warmth. And don't forget to mark the bag, especially if you're doing different, tomatoes, cucumbers, whatever you're doing. Alright, now it's ready to go into the dark. We'll put it with our little pile here, and we'll check back in a week.